Welcome to MLATS Arabic, an application program to learn Arabic quickly for beginners with 4 big step multilingual auto translation system. The fourth stage MLATS Arabic is understanding integrative vocabulary. This is the most important part for beginners in learning Arabic. At this stage, the integrative vocabulary given is variative. For example, huwa, aina, madha, fasal, kitab, yaqra, fi. There are several basic principles in teaching integrative vocabulary for beginner Arabic learners. First of all, the integrative vocabulary has to be integrated into the theme instead of being partial vocabulary. Secondly, the vocabulary should be completed with the meanings. It is important to give complete harakat except for the last letter ended. Next, the vocabulary does not need to be memorized with exposure in front of the class. The most important point is using the vocabulary in daily communication. Have a good study!